Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a tutorial using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I actually really like how this makeup came out. I hope you guys do too. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with a moisturizer, and I'm using the H2O Plus Beauty. This is like my second one that I go through, or my third one. I think it's my third one. I really like this moisturizer. Neutrogena has one that's really good, but it's like around, like, I want to say like 20 bucks, and this one's like 30. And I feel like this one has even more product than the Neutrogena. I could probably do my research and let you guys know, but I like this one way better than the Neutrogena one. So I'm gonna let that absorb. I feel like that's where a lot of girls do their mistake, because I feel like a lot of people have problems with their foundation looking like smooth and like flawless. And I think the main reason is because either you don't like prep your skin like 100. Prepping the skin is like major key. For me, I like to use a moisturizer first and then my primer. But lately I've been using the stroke cream from MAC, and I've been really dry. It's weird because I was really oily, but around right here, like my nose area, like I'm really dry, which is so weird. Especially like right here. So I'll go ahead and apply the stroke cream right here, just because it gives it like a little extra, and then on my cheekbones, just for when I apply the highlight, it pops even more. I don't always do this, but lately my skin, like, I woke up this morning and I saw how dry my, like, the bottom of my nose is, and it's not cute. And I feel because I was sick for so long, like with the tissue, you know, it does mess that up. So you guys see how it gives it like a nice glow. You guys could just get the travel size to try it out to see if you guys like it or not. So I'm gonna fill my brows really quick with the Anastasia Dip Brow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, you know, the bottom with some concealer, just to make them look a little bit more sharp. And I haven't really done my brows, so this will hide the little hairs, you know. So yeah, I'm just using the concealer and this flat brush. This one's from e.l.f. It's one of my favorite ones. It's one of my favorite brushes to clean out my brows. So you guys see that, like, how glowy it looks there because of the stroke cream. Another thing I have noticed with people in their brows, it's when they clean them up, they don't drag the product down, so you could straight up tell there's like concealer under there. So just make sure you're carefully blending it out. You don't want it to be so noticeable that you have, like, you know, you cleaned it up. So I just skipped the whole foundation and concealer part because you guys already know I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. It just looks so smooth. I love it. And I use their concealer as well, the Wet n Wild one. It's pretty good. Not my favorite. I feel like it's a little bit too thick for my preference. But yeah, those are things that I used. And then I just set it with my Airspun, which you guys already know. That's my go-to powder. So for eyeshadows, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this baby right here. This is the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. This is a very high-end palette. I believe it retails for $65, which is insane. I don't think I've ever spent that much money on a palette, but the only reason I splurged on this was because I had gift cards. So thank you to everybody that got me gift cards for Christmas, because now I have this baby. But yeah, this packaging is so cute. Like, I see girls do that on Instagram, you know, like the little... I'm probably gonna do a video for Instagram, so if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys should. Okay, so this palette has 18 eyeshadows, which is okay for the price. I kind of like see it, you know. Let me do the math because I'm not good at math. But so it's like $3.60 each shadow, which is not bad, because I think the MAKEUPGEEK shadows are like $5, $6. I'm not really sure. A MAC shadow, I think it's like 12 bucks each, or 16. And Anastasia shadows are around 10 or 12, around there. So it's not bad. So you get 18 eyeshadows. That's like me justifying the price for it, but I mean, it's so cute. The packaging, like, I just love it. Her eyes are just like gorgeous. Her eyes are like big and they're like hazel, and her eyelashes are so long, and her brows are just amazing. I am a big time fan of Huda. Is it Huda or Huda? I don't know, but I'm a big time fan of her. I feel like she's such an inspiring woman. Her story is just amazing as well. So the palette's very slick. I like it for traveling. I feel like it's very sturdy as well. So yeah, it's all black, and it has like the information back here, which it has 18 eyeshadows, 4 ready to layer textures, so like on the top kind of thing, and then 8 buttery mattes, 6 pressed pearls, and 3 dual chrome toppers, and 1 glitter, which is crazy. I feel like the glitter, it's a little bit scary, which is this one right here, Cosmo. And then the packaging, I already have it all dirty. The packaging is so cute. The mirror, you guys can see my fingers right here. It has a big mirror, which is like perfect. It has all the eyeshadows names right below the shadow, which is perfect too. I feel like this is what an eyeshadow should be like. Have a palette. I mean, it needs to have a mirror and the shadows names like right below it. Like that's all I want in an eyeshadow, and obviously like good pigmentation. But yeah, like she killed it. I feel like she knew what she was doing with this shadow, with this palette. I know there's a lot of mixed reviews with her other palette, but it was her first palette. I never tried it, and like it's discontinued now, but I want to justify her if it was bad for you guys, for those that tried it out. It was her first palette. She didn't know, I want to say she didn't really much know what to expect, or like the formula, you know. It's her first palette. Let the girl be, because all her other products I've heard really amazing things. She is a little high-end, so I don't spend much money on her because I just can't afford that, you know. But I'm excited I got this. I also got the lipstick duo, which I'm actually gonna try on this tutorial as well, just because I got this for Christmas. Thank you to my girlfriend Itzy for getting this to me. Like I said, I had never purchased her products because to me they're a little bit pricey, but now I have 2. All right, so let's jump into the palette. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the color Ethan. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the palette Ethan, which is this one right here. I'm gonna zoom you guys a little bit just for you guys to see a little bit better what I'm doing. I don't know if you guys, whoa, that's a little too zoomed in, girl. I don't know if you guys like it when I zoomed in, but that's the only way you guys will see, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my crease, and I'm doing a halo eye today because I asked you guys what you guys would like to see, and that's the response I got. So halo eye it is. Yeah, I hope the camera is picking up the color, but this color is so cute, this Ethan shadow. I feel like this is going to be my go-to crease color now. It's like a neon coral, but not too neon. It's like just enough. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go into the color Blazing, which is this orange right here. It's very intense, so we'll see how this goes. And this one, I'm just going to apply it in the outer part of my eye. Oh my god, you guys. Can you guys see how pigmented this stuff is? So I'm just applying it right here in the outer part of my eye. And I'm going to do the same in the inner part of my eye. I don't know if I've done a halo eye before here on my channel, but I feel like I look crazy whenever I do them. So I'm not like a big fan, but they do look so pretty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of drag them together into the crease. So basically you're making like a little sandwich, but you want to leave the middle part clear. But if you do get color in there, don't worry, you could just clean it up with concealer. I'm gonna go back with the first shadow and just kind of blend everything together. So I'm gonna grab a smaller brush. As you guys can tell, this one's very tiny. And I'm gonna go into Saffron. I think that's how you say it. It's this like brick red color right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything in together right here in the crease with this little brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of this amethyst It's like a purple shade. I don't really know how this is gonna look, but let's just try it. And I'm applying it like kind of towards the middle part. And just I'm kind of applying this like more towards the inner part, and then dragging it to blend it in with the other colors that I previously applied. So I'm gonna grab the brush that I clean my brows with, the e.l.f. brush, and kind of just cut the crease, the middle part a little bit, just for the color could pop even more. I want to grab the color Twilight, which is this like dual chrome. It looks like purple and red and like blue, like right here, this one. And I'm just gonna apply it right in the middle. Oh my god, this shadow is so pretty. So this is like unicorn vibes right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and jump into lashes. And for lashes, I'm going to use the Pearl Lashes in the style Hunty. I was going to switch it up, but I feel like with the halo eye effect, like you want like something that's very wispy. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so for the bottom lash line, I'm going to go ahead and use the same colors that I did for the crease. Which was Ethan, and I'm gonna like smudge it out a little bit like with a fluffy brush. I kind of want it like to be grungy. Then I'm gonna use Saffron with a smaller brush and just kind of like smudge it out. I'm gonna grab this color called Nefertiti. I believe that's how you say it. It's this one right here. It's like a gold. It has just a lot of gold reflex on it. And I'm gonna apply this into the inner part of my eye. Oh my god, this eyeshadow is so beautiful. Can you guys see it? It's just gorgeous. I'm probably gonna, my next tutorial, I'm gonna use this one like on my lip or something because it's that pretty. I'm gonna use my Betty Lou Manimizer bronzer. This one's like a very shimmery, but like I've been telling you guys, my skin has been dry, so I'm okay with it. So I'm just applying this right here. It gives you like a nice glow and some color to the face. For that, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight, and I'm going to use the Fuego highlight by Dose of Colors. This is one of my favorite highlights at the moment. I already hit pan, and it's really rare for me to hit pan on like a highlight, so that should tell you a little bit of something. So I'm going to apply it on my nose, Cupid's bow, and my cheekbones. And for the lips, I'm going to go ahead and use this Huda Beauty set of lip pencil. So it's a mini liquid liner, lip gloss, and the lip pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and use the lip pencil first. Line my lips. I'm going to overdraw them just a little bit. Just because I have very small lips. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my lips. So for that, you need to make a line in the middle of your lip. So it just makes them look a little bit more plump. And now I'm going to go ahead and go with the liquid lipstick. And I'm going to apply this. So this, I'm just going to apply it in the center of my lips just to give it that highlight. It's very shimmery, so... So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Like I said, I'll be posting a lot more. And with this new palette, like, I feel like I'm going to create a lot of looks. So just make sure you hit that subscribe button. It will help me out. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.